2, 1.
We're here at Truck Access Plus with the new 2022 Ram, 2019-2022. We're looking at the Retrax retractable bed cover install. So you unboxed it, you got everything you need. Here's the heavy duty aluminum curtain that's gonna come in the first box. It has thick aluminum slats. So the first step is to remove these pieces that go into here. So you just get a Phillips and undo it. The key comes in the box, so that's what you do to unlock it. And then you attach the rails. So the rails will be this other box here that we're gonna get. This is the front plate. So the front plate is what goes in the front, and it has a low profile design. So all these products are made in USA. Retrax is in North Dakota, Grand Forks. Lifetime warranty on this thing, covers the bearings, the finish, the canister. This is the best retractable cover you can get right now. So we're gonna check in here in a little bit once we get through. And then you just pause it, we make another clip.